Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic, verbs. Today we are going to jump, run, sing and learn all about verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Let's begin our lesson. Look at these words. Plays, feed, loves, runs, barks. They are all verbs because they show action. We will fill in the blanks with the correct verb. My dog dash at strangers. What do dogs do? Bark. So the answer is, my dog barks at strangers. He dash with his friends in the park. That's right, he plays. He plays with his friends in the park. My family dash animals. Aw, how sweet. They love animals. My family loves animals. We should dash the stray animals in our society. Yes, we should feed them. We should feed the stray animals. Bruce dashed faster than all his classmates. Bruce runs. Bruce runs faster than all his classmates. Verbs with I, we, you, they, and plurals do not include S or S. I play football. We play football. You play football. They play football. Children play football. Verbs with a singular noun or pronoun includes S or S. He plays football. She plays football. The boy plays football. Peter plays football. Everyone plays football. Great job, बच्चों! आज की लर्निंग जर्नी थी फुल ऑन फन। लाइक करना ना भूलो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है लर्निंग और मस्ती। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम एक और ऑसम टॉपिक के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।